Welcome to another video. Today we're going to replace Samsung Note 5, which was released I think around 2015 2016. It's for a battery replacement problem. This is the battery third party that I bought, and this is the name. And let's just show you what it looks like. So from the packaging, it's only this small. So it's assembled in China. It's 3000 mAh. I'm not sure if you can see it, but hopefully you guys can see and read it. Alright, so this is what we're gonna use to that's for the replacement. Where is the right? So first we'll remove the SIM card if there's any SIM card. So there's no SIM. And then let's also remove the S Pen. Right. Now let's try to open it up. As you can see, it's sealed, but I'm gonna try to use a heat gun, heat this part, just the edges, and see if we can reduce the hold of the screen. So I have this heat gun here, and I'll just set it to low. I'm gonna start heating the side. Let's maybe give it about 1 minute. Alright, that's about 1 minute. Should be hot now. I'm gonna try use a suction cup, or you can try use any prying tool that you have. So let's try. Does this thing work? Nope. Okay, I'm seeing a bit of bulge there. See if we can slip in a prying tool, like a small one, like this one. See if I can insert it somewhere. No, it's not enough. Okay, so we'll try. I need to heat it again. So I heat it up again. This time it's 30 seconds. Still not budging. And do we see a bulge down? Oh, turned on. Let's try turning it off first. 1 second. Okay, I managed to slit in the thing here at the bottom using this plier, which is very thin. It says screen disassembler curved. That's the name. 0.1 millimeter. So yeah, it's now inserted there. You have to be careful with this one because the edge is sharp. You can cut yourself. Alright, it's now in. I'll try not to hit the camera, so I'll go to the other side. It's hard. See if you can lift it up. Yeah, the adhesive here is still hard. So let's try to use the pry tool from the top. Like that. Oops. Ah. There, I hurt myself. Hopefully it will not bleed. But yeah. Okay, covers lifted. It has adhesive glue. And no, sorry, it's not adhesive glue, it's double-sided tape. Like that, but a very strong one. But I will use double-sided glue later. You see here that it still has the adhesive tape covering the screw. So first I'm gonna need to clean it up a bit, remove the adhesive. So I'll just use this. Okay, so that's removed. First, we're gonna unscrew it. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, what? So many. What is that? Let's count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, 20 screws. So be prepared. There's still some of the adhesive tape here on the back of the case. Sorry, let's try removing it. So this part here, press, and Okay, we now have access on the phone. So the battery is this one. So just get a user nail or a plastic pry tool. So plastic pry tool, or you can use your nail. So let's try that, and then let's try lifting the battery out. Let's try inserting this pry tool again. Oh shoot. Cannot use this pry tool, sorry. It got burned. It touched the battery. See, it burned this side, so don't use this metal thing or aluminum. Let's try putting some alcohol. So I have this. I'm gonna pour some alcohol. Oops. Okay. This is now my second attempt to open it. So I think I waited for 5 minutes. It's still a bit wet. Okay, managed to pull out the old battery. It's very hard to do. So I just need to dry it up. There's still some alcohol there. I'll just use some tissue first. Then I'm gonna use heat gun just to be sure that it's dry. Quickly. So I made sure that it's dry. It still has some adhesive here on the side, this side, and this side. It's still sticky. Okay. Next is, let's plug in the battery. I think we're gonna add adhesive here in the middle. I'm gonna use a double-sided adhesive for smartphones. So it's this one. So the size, this is gonna be like that. The purpose is just to hold the battery in place. Zoom a bit. Okay, new battery. This is plug it in first. Okay, it's inserted. Okay, now it's in place. Let's see if the phone will charge. Let's get the charger first. Okay, it's charging. Let's see if you can get like a percentage. It says 73%. Okay, so let's put it back now. I'm not gonna put any adhesive here since it has 20 screws, so that's gonna be already tough. Alright, so just like that. Then check the edge, it's inserted. And then we screw now 20 screws. I think most of them are still here on the case, so I can just done. Next is we're just gonna put some adhesive glue I'll be using this B7000 plus adhesive tape in the middle. So let me put the tape first. How long? Probably I replaced 3 tapes. I didn't put tape here in the battery. I don't know, just didn't want to. Then we'll put the adhesive glue now. So let's start. Alright, let's do it. Oh, what? I forgot another screw. Let's double check. Yeah, should be good. Let's do it. Alright, that's done. Let's put the cover. Oh wait, forgot to remove the plastic from the double-sided. Oh, why is it spinning? Alright, now it's time to put this thing. Alright, time to put it. Yeah, some of the glue has spilled out on the side, you can see. So that's kind of annoying. That means I put too much glue. So we can remove it by tissue. So it's getting messy. Let's clean it with some alcohol. Alright, basically that's about it. It will basically now depend with the glue if the glue will hold, or if you have a case, then that's fine. But sure enough, the glue that I use is not doing very well. Alright, let's start putting back the SIM tray, S Pen. Then let's charge it. Alright, so it's charging 75%. It says it's charging 42% to full charge. Alright, we'll observe the battery. If it goes well, I'll end this video here, and as always, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye bye.